This is a video made by making a slideshow. It shows a way to create a playlist and add videos to the playlist using YouTube. To start with, a channel is already on YouTube and it has videos. Go to youtube.com. Click on the icon for the YouTube channel. Click on My Channel. Look on left side of screen. Click on the word library. Look at the right edge of screen. Notice the top of the scroll bar is not all the way to the top. Move scroll bar all the way to the top. After moving scroll bar, Customize Channel is on screen. Click on Customize Channel. Click New Playlist. In box that appears, type New Playlist title. Choose Public or Private. Click Create. Name of new playlist will appear under the word Library on left side of screen. This shows a new playlist has been created. On screen is a large symbol showing the playlist just created has no videos. To add videos, click on Edit. Then click on your YouTube videos. Select one or more by holding down Control key as clicking on the videos to be added to the playlist. In this video I clicked on Ghost Cars. Then add videos. And the Ghost Cars video was added to the playlist.